For entertainment update, Blooms expressed disappointment over ticket prices revealed for the Grand Biniverse concert. Let's get into the details of the entertainment news with Sam Martos.
That's the price of the concert ticket of the nation's girl group BINI for their upcoming Grand Biniverse concert. The prices range from 11,195 pesos for VIP standing to 1,387 pesos for general admission, which is the cheapest ticket. According to some fans, these prices are even higher than those of Dua Lipa and other concerts. They also hope that the prices will be lowered since the most of BINI fans are young people and the prices are not budget friendly for them, especially now that the school has started. Meanwhile, BINI Camp has not yet released a statement regarding this. Ticket for the said concert will be available starting August 28 and 29. The Grand Biniverse concert will be take place on November 16 and 17 at the Smart Araneta Coliseum in Quezon City. This is Sam Martos for EuroTV Showbiz News.